When it comes to Islam and terrorism, I would like to give some statistics to all of you that may be eye-opening for many of you. Sir, he quoted one of the professor in his outline speech. I will give another professor. His name is Samuel Pierce. He is a clinical psychologist from USA, and he says the kind of terrorism that we find around the world today, I believe, is mostly a response to oppression. In Hindi or Urdu, if I am to say, Samuel Pierce, the clinical psychologist, is saying, जो भी दहशतगर्दी, आतंकवाद इस जमीन पर है, मैं समझता हूं कि उसकी सबसे बड़ी वजह यह है कि जो आतंकवाद करते हैं उन पर किसी ने जुल्म किया है. That is what Samuel Pierce from USA, a clinical psychologist, says. Another person, his name is Dr. Gunnar Westenberg. He is the co-president for a very big international organization called IPPNW, and he won the Nobel Peace Prize in the year 1985. He says, I believe there are three main causes for terrorism anywhere in the world. Injustice to a particular section of the society, humiliation to that particular society, and oppressing that society are the three main root cause for terrorism anywhere in the world. Who is saying this? It's not a Muslim scholar. It is not the Imam of the Kaaba or Medina. It is not Imam Bukhari of Jama Masjid or any Imam of Makkah Masjid or an Imam in your Masjid. It's a non-Muslim expert. He says, he is a Nobel Peace Prize winner. He says 3 reasons for terrorism around the world: injustice, humiliation, and oppression.